ತನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕಲಿತ ಶ್ರುತಿ. ಅವರು ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಸಾಧಾರಣ. ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅವರು ಪಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರುತಿ.
ಶ್ರುತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಚಯ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
ನಾನು ಗುಂಡಲ್ಪೇಟೆಯವಳು. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಗೃಹಿಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿಯಲು ಕಾರಣ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Shruti, introduce yourself in English.
I am Shruti. I am from Gundalpet. I am presently housewife. I completed my study in diploma. I learn English so that I can speak with teachers in my son's school.
Why English speaking is important?
Nowadays, everybody need to learn English because wherever we go, we can talk with others. We don't know their mother tongue, so we can talk with them in English easily. We are easily understand to communicate with others.
What you learnt in IEST tutorial?
I learn in this tutorial noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection, modal verbs, question tags, descriptive learning, storytelling and flashcard.
Why you learnt English?
I can learn English so that I can speak with teacher in my son's school.
Are you satisfied with the way of teaching in IEST?
I am satisfied. Ma'am teach English easily so I can understand easily. Before I joined this tutorial, I joined other course in English. I did not satisfied that course because I learned single sentence only, but now I am write a paragraph. Ma'am teach me how to talk and write a paragraph, so I am satisfied. I give a 10 out of 10 because ma'am teach me easily in English. I recommended my sister and my brother join the IEST tutorial. Thank you, ma'am.
English speaking test. We will ask you series of questions. You must answer in English. Note you cannot use a single Kannada word. Let's start. Please tell about your husband in few words.
My husband is my supportive system. I like his smile and eyes. He is best of me. He is a good father and also a good husband. We always love together.
Flashcard test.
Describe the flashcard image. Tell about it. For minimum half a minute in English.
Sudha Murthy is an Indian author, philologist and chairperson of Infosys. She was born in Karnataka. She began her career in mechanical engineering. After that, she was interviewed and became first female engineer at Telco. She is married Narayana Murthy, the founder of Infosys. She won India's 4th highest civilian award, the Padma Shri. Sudha Murthy is highly regarded author and has write a vast number of books. Sudha Murthy is an inspiration to women in both tech and writing world. She is displaying the emotion of joy and happiness.
Paragraph making test. Make a small paragraph by answering to following questions. 1. Who? 2. When? 3. Where? 4. How? 5. Why? 6. What?
What? This is cycle. Where? I purchased this cycle from the shop. When? I purchased this cycle yesterday. Who? I purchased this cycle for my son. Why? Because he liked to ride a bicycle. How? I go by car, then bring it and come back.
How many parts of speech are there? Which are they? Describe each with examples.
8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Noun. Noun is a name of person, place, things. Example, I am Shruti. Pronoun. Pronoun is instead of noun. He is my son. Verb. Verb is an action. I am speaking. Adverb. I am speaking English somewhere. Adjective. Describe a noun or pronoun. I am speaking loudly. Preposition. Link noun or pronoun with other words. I am getting up in the morning. Conjunction. Joining words or sentences. John and Johnny both are good friends. Interjection. Wow, it is delicious food.
Describe all types of modal verbs.
Can, may and would formal modal verb. Shall informal modal verb. Can is used possibilities. Example, can I use your phone? Could is used possibilities. Could you bring me a glass of water? Shall is informal. Shall we go to movie? Should is compulsory. You should pay the bill. May, permission. May I leave now? Might, no confirmation. Might be I can go there by auto. Must, request. You must cook biryani. Will, request and order. Will you go there please? Would is request. What would you like to drink?
Congratulations, Shruti. You have successfully passed English speaking test. We are giving certificate of appreciation for your efforts.
Thanks for watching Shruti's interview till last. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends.